Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram, which means if you are fed up of Instagram notification and if you want to get a break from that notifications of Instagram, then how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So Instagram has come up with an outstanding feature which allows you to silent the notification or skip the notification of the Instagram for a limited time so that you can get them after that time. For example, if you want to get the break from the notification, you can simply use the quiet mode. So how can you turn on this? For this, you have to click on the profile, and after that you have to click on three lines, and here what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down, and here you have to find notification. In notification you can easily find the option of quiet mode, so you have to simply select that. And after that, if you are using quiet mode for the first time, then you have to simply set up the quiet mode. First of all, you have to turn on the toggle of the quiet mode, and after that you can simply select the timing you want to get the break from the notification. And after that, you can simply turn off the notification for that time, and you can get that notification after the time interval. So in this way you can use the quiet mode efficiently, and you can simply get rid of the Instagram notification for a specific time. In this way you can simply turn on the quiet mode on Instagram. Hope you have liked this video. If you can get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.